MAC Dorsingrohang distributes land pattas to inhabitants of 3 villages. Karbi Traditional Music School inaugurated at Santar. Hello and welcome to Karbi Online Live. I'm Julie Hansepi with the latest news for today, and now the news in details. In a news coming in from Puloni, local MAC Dorsingrohang on Friday distributed free land pattas to families of 3 villages. The initiative was taken in fulfillment of the long demand of the people of these villages. The 3 beneficiary villages are Johoi Terang, Mohori Rongpi, and Benjamin Taro village. MAC Dorsingrohang was accompanied by Puloni ARO official Bida Rongpi, among others, and the land pattas distribution program was held in Tarabasa Benjamin Taro village at PHE office. The land pattas was distributed to the respective owners, as most of the Karbis of the area depends on agriculture for livelihood but have not been able to get their land documents due to extreme poverty. While speaking to Karbi Anglong Live, MAC Dorsingrohang said that the land pattas were being distributed to villagers as part of their party's commitment to secure and protect original inhabitants of his constituency. Further, the local MAC also said that land pattas distribution for other villages of Puloni area would continue in the coming days.
May kualam kali tenil tum kachis bade rongasor penana jiriding inglong rit hem biti kadowe amuka non anta pota pene ceklem on pedolang lasi ilul tum pota ceklem ponanggi la pente anutin ke klem lap thekhe himi jangri te kok selok di penang tum ke ukisan da pelion itum do eta me kadog eta pota kai kanang so apot si nak pini lang herang ah warlo long kompli arab ben pota pini bifam filap nak bang so kacepat si munit cetong o mati mei nang nak lo seta mei kali ta bifam ka filap pon ya phan long le pota ka long ya phan bifam ka filap afan si pini tung pachingru lalo la si bil tum mangke ningkan thong kep kep pokep si ke dong se lo e rit long ta thengpi thengprang check ingin do lo sitabe government record long mangke don anta government long le sorkari len ason si govlen ason si nonta dobom si lahai pota ka be joini pen e lahai barrier lo mate irit alom lahai thengpi thengprang ka chuyor ka chulang na ki sumdu basi lahai ka do be joy ki joy phangi phan ele tum pota itum klem pinang po rong sorpan pusi tum chepari si pini na sorkam dek po.
Dirjana Rongpis report from Puloni for Karbi Anglong Live. Increasing number of people of several villages under the Socheng Dhenta constituency has expressed their deep disappointment over the lack of development under the present elected representative and EM Kachirong PP. Here's a report from our correspondent. The entire Socheng Dhenta constituency continued to remain one of the most backward region due to the continued neglect of the government and the local authority. People of this constituency has voted the BJP with the hope that something will change this time, but to their disappointment, the constituency has remained the same and is still deprived of basic infrastructure. People of the constituency told Karbi Anglong Live that there are no roads, electricity, drinking water facilities, and health centers, among others, in their area. Adding to the rules and deprivation, the lack of attention and failure to take up any developmental works and project has earned the anger and deep frustration among the people of this constituency.
District Council rong dat kan setame ali ki ik pesertani tung ke thegong lala ni to ma phana hubetan nang pipela nasi ni di tung ke nang pu setame ju ki do ke dam ka do ka bia towar ka ni tum ka sik sak se ke dolo nasi na tung ni di to ma phan ni lang ponji di putena to prabjeng pen di lang pon noi pusi sokar so pana ka chini gi tol bai do ka che phan setame batai lang ni ka chi chak do maso towar nang lang ni pu setame non pu setame alang ni towar nang ta nang lang le lang ni pipela masih alang ni pantun setame ni tungke abisasi long bedal sina tung sokar kana mangle ni rap mo isi na tom pana ka chuni ni.
People of the constituency say that the local MAC has not shown any interest towards bringing any change in the area as visible by the lack of development in the constituency. Local people said that elected representative has utterly failed to deliver on her election promises. People of Rongagora said that they have not even received a single assistance or projects in their area and has urged upon the local elected representative to make regular visit to her home constituency to acquaint with the ground reality. The people of the constituency have demanded construction of road for their area and have warned that if their genuine demands are not fulfilled, they would never vote for her again in the future. Love Singh Terang from Rongmongwei, Karbiang Long Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. Stay with us for more news.
Humridam ikha. Dipu rong supialong kicheng sik mate non hedjong kangpumi the tidy town dry cleaners and launderers akuladalong nanglitum anam ki jumpen blanket mate kachiomapik kaching thanga peri osomar aperi karbia pindeng peseleng pini pekok lapen kaprek aperi ke chogabar sai long ikji lapenang litum jongsi akuladalong kedam japhan apor duredat pusitami matha ikri bangso akuladalong pen kethon ke banabar sai setami long ikji Lasi Humridam ikha the tidy town dry cleaners and launderers along. Adim lake Dipu Ronghelan Don Bosco Higher Secondary School Adung.
Welcome back to Karbiang Long Live. In a good news for the Karbis, a new Karbi traditional music school was inaugurated at Santar today. The school is aimed at providing training to the Karbi youths of the area to help them in preserving the folk music and tradition. More from our correspondent. The new Karbi traditional music school located near Center Market at Denkimo Playground was inaugurated on Friday at 10 a.m. The school has been inaugurated with the sole objective of providing training to the youths of the area, which include Karbi folk song, drum and others, which faces threat of being forgotten due to lack of trainers and experts. The school officials said that interested youths have to bring address proof, 2 copies of recent passport photos, and has no age bar to learn Karbi traditional songs and music. In addition to this, school's officials told that admission fee is only Rs 150, while form is available for free.
Admission lang kenang jas documents lagi address proof lapen anam bangge prosira
form lama ma registration
labang men ke thapan nam bang form bang ke tidak
form bang itu labang so long photo hai hita kenang sa tadi
Sarpangri Inti Kathar's report from Langhin, Karbiang Long Live. In another success of Karbi Anglong police, 2 persons were arrested on Friday for smuggling heroin and brown sugar at Dilai Tiniali. The narcotic substance was found during a check following a tip-off from its sources. According to police, 1 kilogram of heroin and 1 kilogram kg brown sugar were recovered inside the driver cabin of the 12-wheeler truck with the registration number AS01LC3613 at around 8 a.m. during a check at Dilai Tiniali by local police led by ASI Jiten Gogoi. In this connection following, 2 persons were arrested by the police and have been identified as the truck driver Muhammad Abdul Aziz Ahmed, son of Muhammad Salimuddin Ahmed of Guria Bheltaghat of Gwalpara district, and the second man was identified as Muhammad Nur Islam alias Moti, son of late Nazir Ali of Khargaon Makha, Laikai village, Imphal East district, Imphal. The drugs were seized and sealed on the spot under the physical supervision of SDPO Bokajan, OC Dilai PS and CI Barpathar, the police informed. Bijay Rongpil's report from Dilai, Karbiang Long Live. Well, those were the top stories for this morning. Thanks for watching Karbiang Long Live and stay safe.